Hello amigos, how are you today? Together we make amazing brownie, very easy, gluten-free and no chocolate. We use cacao powder and really fantastic. And if you want to know how to make microwave sponge or this chocolate garnish, I will leave the link below in the description box. Let's start. Also, you can make it for amazing people and you can use it in your restaurant. Please, if this first time to watch me, I would be happy if you participate in my channel, make subscribe, please make likes and leave comment to make any dessert you wish to know. First we started by ganache, 150 gram fresh cream, 300 gram chocolate, 60%, 20 gram butter. As you see, we put all chocolate in 1 liter, plastic liter, whatever you have, and boil the fresh cream. In the meantime, while it's boiling, we cut the 20 gram butter cubes. We keep aside. When fresh cream boiling, I pour into chocolate. I leave it for 1 minute. Then I stir, I mix all together to reduce the temperature and to help the hand blender to emulsify the ganache without being hard. As you see, after 1.5 minutes, it's already melting, it's almost creamy. The hand blender helps us to emulsify all, to make it creamy and remove the bubbles from the ganache. As you see, we mix it all. Now the temperature of the chocolate reduce. When it's almost emulsified, takes maybe 1.5 minutes until all together you can see it's shiny, beautiful. I use stirring the hand blender to help to bring all the edges from bottom to down, from right to left. And now, as you see, it's fantastic. Now is the time to add the butter. I mix it all. I keep in the fridge until the time I used. Cover plastic. Here we go. We have 150 gram eggs, whole eggs, 110 oil, vegetable oil, 520 gram sugar, 300 gram milk, 200 gram yogurt, strawberry, and that makes amazing flavor. You can also use normal yogurt, 280 gram rice flour or gluten-free flour, or if you want to make it normal flour, up to you. 80 gram cacao, 12 gram baking soda, 180 gram walnut. Very important steps. We mix all dry ingredients together and you must use a sieve that help the ingredients to emulsify easy and avoid any lumps. I added the cream, the milk with the yogurt, and I stir it. As you see, I mix it all together. The strawberry yogurt is amazing, fantastic flavor with the brownie. If you want, you can add it banana yogurt, any flavor you love, or you make it plain, but you must use yogurt. About walnut, you must cut into small pieces, don't put it whole pieces. And then all dry ingredients, as you see, together. Make sure you mix it well. Then in the whisk or the kitchen aid, I put sugar, whole egg and oil together. It's a very easy recipe. Also, you can put the whole ingredients once and you mix it high speed and will be fantastic. When, as you see, start like spongy, I added the liquid, milk and yogurt. And finally, I added the dry ingredients, flour, walnut, baking soda, and cacao. You mix it for high speed for 2 minutes maximum. As you see, high speed for 2 minutes and your brownies is ready. Now it's fantastic. I make into trays or cake ring. I put in cake ring and shaving dish. Oil spray, then butter paper or parchment paper. I pour the mixture only served because this fantastic recipe becomes double. So I put only served of the mold, any mold, instead if it's a ring, round the ring, or shaving dish or tray, I just put third of the quantity. And then I fill it ganache, and this decoration I will leave the link below. Thanks for watching my channel, Ahmed Younes.